How to use Blossom Social Investing properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most investors trade in silence, but Blossom changes that. It turns investing into a social experience. The surprising truth is, though, that social investing can help you grow or cost you big depending on how you use it. Blossom Social is a platform where investors share trades, insights, and strategies in real time. The first beginner mistake: copying others blindly. Just because a user posts high returns doesn't mean their strategy fits your goals or risk level. Always research before following. The next mistake is not verifying sources. Blossom has verified creators and community members. Look for the blue check mark before trusting financial advice. Another big error: overposting trades for attention. Many beginners chase likes instead of performance, losing focus on long-term investing. Also, users often skip using the portfolio analytics feature. This tool helps track your performance against benchmarks, showing what's working and what's not. Finally, don't be afraid to ask questions. The Blossom community is built for learning, not showing off. Engaging with others respectfully can accelerate your growth far more than silent scrolling. Used properly, Blossom Social Investing turns learning into a group effort, a place where collaboration beats competition. Because investing isn't a solo race, it's a lifelong journey, and the right community can help you stay on track.